the name mark until subject Python. Now I'm going to copy this one, click somewhere in the cell, go back to the paste special, we have your transpose. When I click on the transpose, OK, you can see a name mark, we have transposed the subject. It is horizontal, we have made it in vertical option. So this is called transpose. Hello friends, thanks for joining Avitech Learn. Before I start this video, I want to thank each and everyone who is watching this video today. Because of your support, encouragement, I'm able to do more videos. Keep supporting. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel. Going forward, we'll be having Excel videos for a few more days. All the basic concept I'm going to teach you in the Excel from the starting to till the last. Then I'm going to start the advanced Excel. We have your Excel basic Home tab. So we'll be having series wise. So we're going to finish first Home tab. What do you see right now in the Home tab? I have done some formatting. This formatting with hyperlinks. Home tab, font, Home tab, alignment, number, Home tab style, cells and editing. So each and everything I'm going to teach you. It's all the basic things we should know in the Excel. Then we'll go back to the one by one advanced. Okay, let's learn the clipboard. When I click the clipboard, this also I'm going to teach you at the end of this series, Home tab series. So when I click on the clipboard, I have your clipboard. Don't get confused. I have applied your background. So now I have some data here. I have data. I have some names. I have some subject, I have total, maximum, minimum and the percentage. So with this data, we're going to learn Home tab, clipboard option as well as paste special. Okay, let us start the work. So now the first option is cut. Some of you already know this, how to use the cut. The cut is nothing but we're going to move complete one data from one place to other place. So I'm going to cut this data now. I'm going to select this with the help of the mouse. The data what I have here on the screen, I'm going to select this one. Then I'm going to click on the cut option. Click. Then you can see here it's selected. Now we got the move tool here. Click and drag where you want. You can see here I'm completely moving from this place to over here. This is called cut option. Again I'm going to select. How to select? You can select here complete with the help of the mouse, or else wherever you want you just click here. Press Ctrl A, this is the selection. Automatically the data will be selected. Now again I'm going to cut. With the help of the cut tool, I'm going to move it at the top again. So this is the move tool. Even how to use this copy option, you know, some of you already know that. So when I take my cursor, we have here shortcut keys. You can see here Ctrl C is a shortcut key. I'm going to select data. I'm going to click this copy, and where I want I can keep here. And again I'm going to click on this paste. So it is the data is pasted. So this is copy and paste. The next part is we have here the arrow mark just after the copy. You can see here. In this there is one more option called copy as picture. I'm going to show you one more option in the copy. I'm going to select the data. I'm going to press Ctrl C twice. Ctrl C. You can see here I got one clipboard at the left side, right? We got selected, whatever I selected here, it shows here. When I click somewhere here and click on this, automatically I can paste it. Now I'm going to undo this. What I do, I want only the name. I'm going to select the name. Then I'm going to use this copy. Now you can see here, I'm going to select this. I have selected a name. Next, I want this Vinod, complete. Then I'm going to click copy. Again, I'm going to select the Joel. I'm going to click copy. Next, I'm going to select the mark. I'm going to click copy. The last one, I'm going to select current copy. Whatever I'm selecting, it's coming in the clipboard. After clicking here, which I want first? I want the name. So where is the name? I can click on this. Next, I want Vinod after this name. Where is the Vinod? You can see here. Vinod is here. Next, whatever you select, only that part will come. Whichever the data we want, we can select the data. So this also you can do it, or else paste all. When I click on this, so we already have this data. Let me delete this one. Now I click here and click, there is an option called paste all. Automatically all the data will be pasted based on the first one. The first will be this one. Based on this, you can see here, based on the down, automatically data will be pasted. So after this, so this is the one option, you can use it. Now I'm going to clear all and close this option. Remember, Control C. So when you press that Control C, you'll get this option. I'm going to close the data and clear data. Now the how to use Format Painter. I'm going to copy the data now again. Copy, click, paste. I'm going to click here, paste. Exactly, I'm getting what is there here. I'm getting the same data. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the format now. How to change the format? Right now, this format completely I'll change by clicking here. I'm going to click somewhere in the cell. I have selected one cell. Then I'll go to the Format Painter. After Format Painter, you can see here, this cell is selected now. Now I'm going to apply for complete cell. Now I got the format of that one. I have removed the complete format. I got the normal text. Right? Now I want to apply this format now. Name. Click. Format Painter. So again select. Apply. Click current. Format Painter. I'm going to apply for numbers, not for the name. The format is applied for that marks. The whole thing I'm going to select. Click the Format Painter. I'm going to select the Format Painter. So we got the format. So this is the one useful option where you can save your time. Instead of doing again and again the same format, you can save the time by using this Format Painter. The next part what we're going to learn is, we're going to learn the paste option. You can see here. So when I click this arrow mark down, there are 14 options we have in this. Apart from this, we have the option paste special. We'll go back that one later. We're going to learn these options first. I have selected the data and we have selected one cell and the first option is paste. When I click on the paste option, it is pasted. As it is, it's going to paste with the formula. You can see here, I have the formula. Whatever the formula I have here, the same formula with the formatting. It is copy and paste. This is okay. Everyone know this one? Now I'll go back to again this option. There is an option called formula. When I click this formula, there is no formatting. We have the data as well as formula. When I click on this, you can see we have the formula option, sum, minimum. You can observe here in the formula bar. When I click on this option, minimum, we have here minimum as well as the percentage. But we have not copied the formatting. We have just copied the formula. Now this is the formula. Next option, what we have here, this also formula and number formatting. What is this number formatting? Now, as you see the screen now, when I select the first option, but here my data is 55.0, 52.5, but here you can see there is no decimal point, but I'm not getting the 0.0, right? So this is not the format what I want. I want the exact format. 60 also you can see here, I'm not getting the exact form. For that one, we have to go to this option. This is formula and number formatting. Exactly, it will give the number formatting even there is a percentage. So when I click on this option, we'll get the exact thing. Only the source data will get the exact whatever the percentage we have here. The next option is exact, will get the keep source formatting. So we have the formatting with the source. Source means the data with the formatting. The same like paste. When I click the paste, we'll get the same thing. Here also the formatting will come. This two option you have to remember. This two option here will get the data, formulas will get. We'll get the formula, but here we'll get with the numbering, whatever the percentage we have, the same thing you will get. The next option is no borders. So when I click on this, borders will be skipped. The next option we have here, keep source column. Source column means whatever the column width we have selected here, the same thing will copy. Now when I go to this option, you can see here, there is no formatting as well as the text is left side and the numbers are right side, right? And you can see this percentage at the left side and the numbers are right side. When I do this part, exactly it will give the column width. Whatever the column you have selected, the same column will get in the paste area. This is keep source column width. The next one is very interesting, that is transpose. You can see here transpose, the names, copy. I'm going to select one cell, go to the paste, and there is a word called transpose. I'm going to make this vertical to horizontal. The names were in the vertical format. I have converted into horizontal format. So this is called transpose. So next I'm going to copy again. Copy the data. Go to the paste. Paste values. What is the paste value? Now I'm going to click here. Paste value. So when I click on this, you can see that we are pasting the values. Click here. There is no formula in this. As you see the screen right now, we have the data here with the formula. Here we have the formula, but here you can see there is no formula. I'm going to do undo now. The data will be selected. Copied. Go back here. We have here same option. When I click values and numbers formatting, it is nothing but we have this option, right? We have this option, formula and number formatting. Now when I click on this values and number formatting, when I click here, so we have the number formatting. It is same like this option, formula and number formatting. But here we get the formula without formatting. Here will not get formula, even formatting will not get. The next option is values and source formatting. When I click this option, you can see here we are not getting any formula, only values. So basically what we have here, this is nothing but all this option, paste value, only values will be there. You will not get any formulas in this. Copy the data. I'm going to click one cell here. Paste. The next option is other paste options. In this other paste option, I'm going to use the first one. You can see here when I click on this, only the format we can see, right? I'm going to do undo again. So the data is selected. I'm going to keep the cursor on this cell. Go back to the paste. The second option is link. Paste link. When I click this paste link, there is no formatting. Click on this paste link. Now you can see here, we have here option total is equals to H10. But here what we have the formula. Here we have here is equals to I10. And here we have is equals to J10. We are getting this option, right? When I click on the percentage, we are getting K10. We are getting the exact values, but we are getting is equals to F10. When I click here 50, you can see only the values are there. But when I click on this 50, we are getting is equals to D10. Now when I change the value of this 50, I want to make it 20. So this option will help you wherever you change the data, that will be changed in the link area. You can see here the 20 is changed here also, right? Even the percentage here change, here it is changed, as well as here also it changed. Change the name Karan to Arun. You can see the name is changed. So this is the one option. Whatever the data you change, wherever you are, the data will affect for the linked area. The next option is picture. I'm going to select the data, paste. We have your picture. When I click on the picture, see we're getting the picture here. This is not the data actually. This is the picture. We have your picture. I can make it big if I want the picture. Like whatever the picture you insert, no, the same like see I have inserted one picture my logo. The same like that we have one picture. I can use it wherever I want. Even this one I can make as a thumbnail. So this is the picture I can use it. The data whatever you type, that data we can make it as picture. So I hope somewhere it will help. So the next option is link picture. I'm going to select the data. Again copy. Click here somewhere. Paste option and we have this option link picture. Click on this link picture. This also we get picture. You can see here. I have the picture. But one advantage in this one is we have giving the link. Link means when I change the data of this 20 to 100 in the mark C language, enter, you can see here, even in the picture, wherever you're moving this, it will change. This is also an advantage. You can use it whatever you want. If you're working in the system and you want to display on the projector, you can keep your data in your system and you can display the picture on the screen. Whatever the changes you make in your system, that will change in projector. So if I change this Joel to Karan, you can see there even Karan is changed. So I hope this also it will help somewhere in your work. So the next one what we are learning is page special. So I have selected the data and copied. I'll go back to the page special. We have learned all this option. Whatever I thought that the same options are there here. The one option is comments. Select this one, right click. I have here insert comment. So I have given one comment for this complete data. You can see here I have given the name. Whenever I take my cursor in this one, Excel Home tab series. Select this part, copy, click here, paste special, comments, give it OK. See here, I'm not getting the data, I'm getting only the comment. Right? It shows only the comment. The next part what we are learning is we're going to learn operation. All this we have learned in the paste option. The whatever we have learned is the same option, but here we are going to learn the operation. Before that, before we start the operation, now I'm going to copy this one, 10, copy. After copy, I'm going to select this C++. Then go to the paste special. Here I want to add here. I'm going to click this add. What you see here, C++ 40 marks for all the 4 names. When I add this option, this 10 marks will be added for all these 40. When I click on this OK, you can see that it is added. The next option, again select the 10, copy. Now I'm going to select this area, Python, go to the paste special. Now I'm going to click this subtract. Give it OK. You can see here 70 to 60 minus 10. Again next I'm going to select the 10, copy. I'm going to select this one now again. I'm going to select again C++. Go to this paste special. Now we're going to click on the multiply. When I click OK, you can see here the multiply is done. 10 into 40 because we're getting 400. Again I'm going to select 10, copy, select again C++, paste special. We have here divide. So when I click on this divide, OK, it is done. You can see here we have done the divide option. Select the name, mark until subject Python. Now I'm going to copy this one, click somewhere in the cell, go back to the paste special. We have here transpose. When I click on the transpose, OK, you can see a name mark. We have transposed the subject. It is horizontal. We have made it in vertical option. So this is called transpose. There is one more option I want to show you, that is skip blank. Now I have selected the data. Now I selected here Mark, Joel, Arun in down. I have pasted here. You can see here. I'm going to copy again this. Now select somewhere here. I'm going to select this cell. Select this cell. Go to the paste special. We have here skip blank. There is no blank here. You can see here. When I click this OK, you'll get the same thing, right? You'll get the same thing. I'm going to give one place here. There is no name here. I have copied the data as it is, but I have removed here Joel, right? But there is a formatting in this. I'm going to copy the exact this thing. Copy and click somewhere in the cell. Go back to the paste special. We have your option called skip blank. Skip blank means whatever the format, whatever you have here, that will be skipped. The rest of the data will be copied. Click OK. You can see here this data is not copied. I mean the formatting is not copied. The complete data is here. The blank data is skipped. So this is the options you can use it. I hope somewhere in your work it will help you. So I'll be happy if it works in your work. So I hope I have taught you something new today. Thank you very much for joining Avitech Learn. Please do share the video, like the video, and if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe. Thank you very much for your support and encouragement. Thank you all.